Love the AJs. What's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. I'm about to show y'all the superior overwater bungalow in the Sofitel Moorea La Aura Resort Hotel in Moorea, Tahiti. Let's go.
201.
We are at room 201.
Don't be knocking off the leaves.
Nice little trees. Yeah, a little swipe get you in the room. Let's go get these lights.
You gotta put the
Why
key
did you
in.
take the key out?
Cause.
Well, I put the key in for electricity. It works better if you never take it out, so the room won't get hot.
We in this thing.
All right, so you got to put that key in for the room to be
or this way
lit up. No lights or anything will work without that key being in there. So I'll close the door.
So it's my birthday. But anyway, so you come in. And right to the right, right, okay? It's these double doors right here. And you just like, bam, you in there. So take a look at our bathroom. We have this deep dish right here to wash your hands. If you come around this corner, we have our shower. Little shower thing. We got your robes right here. And then the toilet is over there. Okay? So that is that. Close these back. All right, over here, we have our mini bar slash closet with your ironing board, because you need an iron in Tahiti because you're going to be ironing your clothes for some reason. And then you'll have your mini bar. You cannot eat this stuff. It does cost money. You have coffee, you have your wine glasses, your ice, and you do have the actual mini bar.
Other side.
And all of this stuff is complimentary. They will refill it once a day, except for the food. You can't have the food, but you can have everything else in here, because you can have everything else but not the food. Okay, so no food, but you can have everything else. All right, got it? Got it. So no food, you can have all the drinks, you got it? Good. So you can't have these, like you have to pay for this. For the food. So over here, this is the bed. We have a bed. This is where all the magic happens. Over here, we have our huge 100 feet, our 100-inch TV. Okay. And then over here is our sitting area. As you can see, our luggage is over here, so don't pay too much mind of that. But it is a bed as well. So if you have a couch, so somebody else can sleep there if need be. And then over here is our little desk area. If you look down, you do have this little open area into the water below us. Okay. And you come right here to these doors. You open this. This is our patio area where you can have your breakfast delivered to you by boat up to your patio. Around the corner here we have our access into the ocean. And you can see all the water bungalows around us. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let me see. I can't hear you. You about to get in? It's probably cold now. You getting in with your shirt?
No, I don't see a hole in the probably gonna go to my chest. A lot of fish in here.
It's a gang of fish over there. Gang, gang, gang. Let me see if I can get y'all. There they go. Gang, 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 gang. Gang, 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 gang. They waiting on you, AJ. The fish are waiting on you.
Yeah, we'll get in the water.
Huh?
You gonna get in this water?
Why I'm not getting in the water? Why I'm not getting in the water? Cause you scary.
I'm not scared.
Yeah, AJ's scared to get in the water.
Let's go.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. What's good? It's cold? Is it cold? Alright, so that's all we have for you guys. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you guys will be notified every time we post a video. See you guys next time. Bye.
Peace.